Want to create eye-catching t-shirt mock-ups without Photoshop? Well, grab some comfy clothes because we are staying in today and I'll show you how to make pro-looking t-shirt mock-ups using Canva totally free. The best file type to use is N because it allows for transparency, and once it's done uploading, simply search for blank t-shirt or t-shirt mock-up. Choose one of the flat style shirts and resize it to fit your design. Then repeat the process for the back of the shirt if your design is a little more complex. Just remember to center it. Simply drag and drop it into the center of the canvas. Now you know how to make a t-shirt mock-up on Canva. Once you've saved your first design, duplicate the page. From here you can play around with different colorways, designs, and mock-ups. This is the best way to create multiple versions of your product images quickly. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and drop a comment below if you want to see a full Canva t-shirt store mock-up video. Next, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. This works best if you have Canva Pro because you can use smart placement. So if you don't have Pro, no worries. We'll just use the old school method. Simply drag and drop the image into your workspace, drop a comment, and if you want to support this channel by going on Buy Me a Coffee, see you soon, and then use the position and transparency options to get it looking realistic. Here's a quick look at where we're headed. First, go to canva.com. From here, click Create a Design and then choose a custom size. You can use whatever size you'd like. I'll choose 1556 by 2000 pixels. But hey, if you're using a template from Creative Fabrica, if you're planning to sell on Etsy or Shopify, N is the best file type to use. And if you have Canva Pro, you can download a transparent background. To do this, choose the transparent option under Background Remover. Otherwise, you can remove the background manually. Make sure to use the exact dimensions or else things might get a little wonky. You can add a background like a solid color, a texture, or even a lifestyle scene. Have fun with it. You can also use shadows or other effects to make your design pop, and don't forget to add your logo, social media, or watermark. Next, let's upload your t-shirt design. Now we need to add a mock-up t-shirt. There are two ways to do this, and the first way is to use Canva elements. The second option is to upload your own t-shirt mock-up. Once that's done, let's customize the scene. When you're happy with the result, click share and then download your file. And that's it. Oh, and here's a bonus tip if you found this video helpful.